Awesome. Thanks. Yeah. Hi, everyone. As already said, I'm Simon from eBot7. We are a Munich-based scale-up company. We are currently 100 people and growing. And we also have around 100 customers around Europe as of now. And I'm happy to talk to you today. So I probably won't tell you anything new if I say that 10 years ago, customer service was appreciated, but that today it is expected, right? It is a core function of customer-facing organizations. I might tell you something new if I tell you that predictions say that in 3 to 5 years, over 80% of all online customer interactions will be handled without human interaction, meaning they will be automated to some extent. Well, we have just the tool for that. So with our leading conversational AI platform, we not only automate conversation and processes with cutting edge AI, but we also make all of that very simple. So we simplify that complex technology and make it very simple to implement, use, and scale to the needs of our customers. But well, how does that work, conversational AI platform? So put in simple terms, we are a custom communication automation tool. So that can filter the intent of any customer message that comes in and automatically provides the right answer based on the knowledge base, which is the brain of a chatbot technology, which is always in full control of the customer. So the customer decides what the chatbot will add, and it is then presented by the use of conversational AI in a way that it is a great experience for customers. So what is our USP? Our SaaS-based solution includes a hybrid model, so hybrid AI, that can not only automate conversation, but also assist customer service agents with suggestions based on AI and simultaneously train the system during the operation. So the actual AI, the automation engine below, gets better in operational usage. We are also, of course, GDPR compliant, so security is kind of on the top of our priorities as a German vendor. And we are omnichannel, so no matter which channel the customer uses and wants to use, our system always works, so to say, underneath those channels and can be used for that. And we have a very strong product team of over 40 people that creates this unlimited power to connect our platform via APIs and webhooks to third-party systems, and for example, your preferred CRM system that is used. And as I already mentioned, one of our key USPs is simplicity. So we are a no-code platform. So there's no reliance on IT teams and no coding required. And every business unit can define a use case in a very short time frame, implement our solution very fast and efficiently. So who are our customers? Well, we provide value to mid-sized and to large enterprise, from mid-sized companies to large enterprises. And you see across a variety of industries, right? So from insurance over retail to other industries, essentially wherever there is a high volume of support tickets that comes in that we can help to make more efficient. So to give you a concrete use case example, for a city or a public customer here in Germany, the city of Bonn, they use our system to automate service requests, to automate predefined processes for users, and also have a dedicated Corona bot in place. And the last example is our solution for Deutsche Bahn, where for the customer service of Deutsche Bahn, we automated frequently asked questions so that the service agents can actually focus on the more complex topics. And we also offer predefined process journeys in response to the questions that can then be used by self-service of the users and create also a great user experience there. Plus, our KPIs that you can see here, we reduced chat duration to 90%, and we also increased the automation rate to 69% of incoming messages, which is, of course, a great boost for efficiency and also for the customer service capabilities. And with that, I want to thank you, take all questions, and happy to organize a demo in the following weeks.
Simon, thank you so much, and right on time. So let's use the remaining 4 minutes for the Q&A, but also for the fun fact you shared with us. So let's dive right into and see and basically engage our audience to see what fun fact you have shared with us. So how much has eBot7's team grown during Corona? By 16%, I guess, by 50%, or by 4, or people. People, I just heard it in my ear, by 16 people, by 4, or by 50 people. So let's see. People are still voting, people are still undecided. We have a 43% saying by 4 people. Let's see what the correct answer is. Actually, by 50 people. How did you guys manage that? Growing by 50 people, I mean, you guys had to rent extra office space and that's all during a global pandemic. So super interested in how you guys managed to pull this off.
Yeah, so the calculation is actually based from from last February to today, and we grow by over 50% since then. And of course, a little bit driven by also this trend towards digitization, also in communication. Right, this is of course a driver for us and for our customers, and we see a lot of interest there. But I mean, the good thing, and that's part of the fun fact, right, that we didn't have to grow our office, but which also means that if we would get back now, we would really have kind of a challenge and need a more, let's say, flexible solution for that.
That's good. I mean, you're always welcome at our co-working spaces here at Plug and Play as well if you need to have 1 or 2 workspaces. But Simon, let's head right into the Q&A session. And Stefan Kreuzhuber, the project manager for digitalization and innovation from Vienna International Airport, has a question for you.
Hello, my name is Stefan Kreuzhuber, responsible for digitalization and innovation at Vienna Airport. And I would like to know what's the average time to implement your solution for a contact center with 5 to 10 agents?
Yeah, great question. So, and of course we get asked that quite often. I think there are 2 answer pillars to that question. So what could be possible and what we actually see in our projects, right? So what could be possible is actually that if there are agents live on a customer service end, we could implement the solution just within a week of time. We just, together with our customers or with a partner involved, define the knowledge base, so meaning the question answer pairs in the back of the chatbot, so to say, that provide the base for the answers that the chatbot will provide, and then start using it in operational usage. As I already explained, you can use our tool also as a live chat, and then with every answer you provide, it feeds the algorithm and improves the AI engine to answer independently. The second answer is in real life, we tend to have like 4 to 6 weeks of implementation phase, just because on a customer side, there's always a couple of stakeholders that need to agree on some content and fill that actually then into the bot together with us or with our partners, and make it a great conversational experience where actually the customer also has this ability to define how the bot will be as a character, if you will, how he will greet people, how he will answer to certain questions, and then go live after those 4 to 6 weeks.
Simon, thank you so much for taking the time, joining us here today live, all the way from Munich, I guess, right?
Exactly, yes.
Then, again, thank you very much, and all the best, and servus from Vienna. Take care.